Hello and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making a deliciously soft, protein packed peanut butter French toast, perfect for breakfast or a sweet post workout bite. We are using multigrain bread here to keep things on the healthier side, so let's get started. First, in a mixing bowl, crack one egg, add a pinch of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Pour in 1 tablespoon of milk and whisk it all together using a balloon whisk or a fork, just until the mixture is smooth and combined. Now take 3 slices of bread, spread the peanut butter generously on 2 slices. Now stack it up. Place one peanut butter slice over the other and top it off with a third plain slice like a triple layer sandwich. See how that looks, soft, layered and filled with peanut butter goodness. Bring in the egg mixture again and gently place the bread sandwich into it. Make sure to soak it well. Press lightly so it absorbs the egg mixture from all sides. Flip it over and again, and don't forget the edges. Let the egg mixture coat every part of the bread. Now heat up a pan and add a little ghee, butter or oil, whichever you prefer. We are using ghee for that rich flavor. Carefully place the soaked sandwich on the pan and start toasting it. Flip it every now and then so it cooks evenly. Also flip it vertically to let those edges get golden too. This takes a little time, so stay patient. Let it toast slowly until it turns a beautiful golden brown from all sides. And we are done. Time to serve. You can already tell how crisp it looks on the outside. Now let's cut it in half. Look at that, soft and fluffy on the inside with creamy peanut butter melting through every bite. To finish, I'm drizzling some Hershey's caramel syrup on top. This step is optional, but it adds that perfect sweet touch. And that's it. Our peanut butter French toast is ready to serve. Tastes warm, nutty, sweet, and it's honestly super satisfying. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more easy and delicious ideas. See you in the next one.